Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a doctor-formulated antioxidant-rich drink recipe that focuses on helping naturally support weight loss goals with active ingredients that make for a delicious powder supplement to effectively enhance digestion, metabolism, and vitality with no negative side effects. But does it truly work with real wellness benefits? What is Flat Belly Tonic? Losing weight is a hard enough struggle as it is, but the weight loss industry has sought out ways to help with supplements and programs through the years. One of the products to come out of the industry is Flat Belly Tonic. There are many positive reviews of this formula, but there also seems to be some doubt and natural skepticism, which is all but healthy this day and age. Before anyone can decide if it is for them, they need a clearer idea of what it can do for them. This powder can be made into a drink, and it is meant to be consumed each morning. But then what? This formula gets to work on the metabolism, starting the burning of calories when the user is still digesting their breakfast. Since it is blended into a liquid, it is rather easy for the digestive system to handle as it works through the body. While there are a lot of programs out there today, this program set out to be different from the remedies that fail over and over. Rather than just offering a supplement and some directions on the label, this program includes digital content. The contents are 21-day flat belly manual, which contains 47 pages of details on the right diet that users should adopt for weight loss. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Drink, a recipe guide by Mike Banner with smoothies that act as helpful tonics. Quick Start Nutrition Plan Guide, which contains 22 pages on the best food consumption that users should take on each week. 100 flat belly recipes for burning fat, offering 126 pages of recipes for breakfast 15, lunch 20, and dinner 40 recipes with recommendations for snacks and desserts. Energy Boosting Smoothies, which features 26 pages of smoothie recommendations with different fruits, veggies, and other nutrients that are essential to the body. With all of this content, consumers are given a comprehensive way to lose weight with this Japanese tonic. There's practically ready to prepare at a moment's notice. While there are some people who consider it to be a shortcut, the intensity of the program is much more. Let's take a look at everything that this program entails, especially when it comes to the supplement. What does the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic do? The entirety of this formula is based on the idea that using ingredients that are backed by scientific evidence can help with weight loss. It has a plethora of different extracts, probiotics, vitamins, minerals, and other types of nutrients that can manage weight effectively. It supports the digestive system, and it provides a much-needed boost to the user's energy levels. The formula seems to be rooted in ingredients and methods that creator Mike Banner came upon while he was in Okinawa. In his journeys, he came across a drink that was able to eliminate excess fat and deliver impressive nutrients for overall improvements in health. The development of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is both a way to show a tribute to their customs and a way to make this formula available outside of Japan. The creators primarily focus on the way that it can help with weight loss without requiring any type of diet or exercise to take place. While the user engages with this remedy, they do not have to change the foods that they eat or start exercising more. They don't even need to count their calories or make any other health-based changes. All that the creator requires of the user is that they drink the prepared supplements each day. Most people are understandably skeptical that a supplement with no other changes to the body could actually be successful in weight loss. However, the creators have developed multiple guides, as listed above, that truly help to make a difference. The Okinawa Tonic Drink for losing weight. Obviously, the main part of this program is the tonic itself. It is available as a powder, requiring that the user mixes a scoop of it with a liquid of the user's choosing. It blends well with water, almond milk, cow's milk, and even smoothies, but it is up to the user to choose the best beverage for their needs. The reason that this powder is so unique is because it has 4 different proprietary blends included in it. Each blend has a different way of helping the body, whether it is used to support the digestive process or trigger further weight loss. It also includes vitamins and minerals, as well as antioxidants, to ensure that the formula is as helpful to the user's health as it is to their weight. Much of this formula is based on the concept of balancing the creatine protein in their body. It seems that major changes in this protein can prevent the proper hormone regulation for metabolic activity. Without the right hormones active in the body, metabolic processes like fat burning do not occur as it should. Instead, the body starts to accumulate more fat, leading to obesity and other weight problems. With only using the tonic, users likely will see major weight loss within 4 weeks. However, users that want to keep losing weight should continue taking the supplement each day. I recommend you buying this product. Discount link in the description.